Come test drive the 2021 GR Supra. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. The Toyota GR Supra combines design, performance, and safety. Heads will turn as you cruise down the street in this sports coupe. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.